Hello there, let's take a brief look at the weather for the week ahead. Now it's all changed weather-wise as we go into this weekend, but on Thursday it was the coldest morning so far this winter for England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Weak winter sunshine for most, a lot of dry weather but some blizzard-like conditions with brisk northerly winds across northern areas of Scotland. The wind turns more westerly, so the focus of the showers is changing on Friday, but still some more snow. It's still going to be very cold and then it turns milder, wetter and windier as we head through Saturday and Sunday. So if we just take a brief look at the pressure chart, you can see the high pressure pulling away, allowing all of these Atlantic systems to flow in from the west. So we're looking at heavy downpours of rain, tight squeeze on the isobars, so strong gusty winds, particularly through the day on Sunday. Already Met Office weather warnings in place for that, and some milder air coming through on that southwesterly wind too. Temperatures back up into double figures, but still a very cold start to the day on Friday. Temperatures widely below freezing, a sharp frost and some icy stretches, also some patches of freezing fog. The snow levels will gradually rise across western Scotland. Still some snow showers here through the morning. Snow confined to the hills through the afternoon, the snow turning back to sleet and rain to lower levels. Southwesterly winds, so some slightly less cold feeling air. Temperatures will more widely get up to 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. As we head through Friday night, still the risk of some icy stretches across northern Scotland. There will be some snow melt as well as that milder air starts to move in from the west. Some heavy rain towards western coast, but it's still a cold night with a touch of frost, I think, out towards eastern areas, particularly southeast England. Now, as we head through Saturday, this series of weather fronts will be pushing eastwards. The high pressure moves away towards the near continent, and there are plenty of fronts to come through. So still a lot of detail to add on this, but there will be some heavy rain across the Pennines as we head through the morning. And for western coast, particularly the northwest of Scotland, some heavy downpours here. Could be some localised flooding from the added snowmelt, but largely dry still across the far south and the east, but certainly clouding over and starting to see that milder air filter through. Temperatures back up into double figures for western spots. And then this series of fronts will push through on Sunday into Monday. A tight squeeze on the isobars. There'll be gales or severe gales potentially towards western coast, particularly for northwestern Scotland. Still possibly a bit of snow over the hills here. This heavy rain piling through across Northern Ireland and into northwest England as well. Temperatures, though, across much of England and Wales will rise up to 12 or 13 degrees Celsius as we head through Sunday. So we've swapped that colder air for something an awful lot milder. And it's a day of sunshine and showers, I suspect, on Monday. There will be a lot of dry weather around, the showers gradually clearing further eastward, so not quite as wet or as windy as on Sunday, and feeling even milder still, 7 to 14 degrees Celsius. Now, the same theme continues as we head through next week. Certainly mild with temperatures well above the seasonal average and staying unsettled, really very changeable day on day. Another deep area of low pressure pushes eastwards, bringing strong winds, heavy downpours of rain through Tuesday, but then something a little dry, a little more settled, perhaps with a ridge of high pressure as we go through Wednesday and Thursday before the next frontal systems arrives from the west as we head through Friday and into the weekend. The details still likely to change, of course, but here's the outlook for our capital cities. Generally mild, changeable, wet and windy at times. Bye-bye for now.